What's up, everybody? Today I have an unboxing for you. I know I don't do these much, but I like it. And this is from the Lockman Foundation. So we know it's a New American Standard Bible. I had chatted with my contact over there, and he sent me one of their Prime Bibles. I believe it's new, like brand new. So I'm excited to see what's in here. And this is going to be a true unboxing. Often I try to do some research beforehand. There will be a full review to come in about a week, but I just wanted to unbox it and take a look and see what's here, since it's a brand new Bible, a premium edition, New American Standard Bible. Before we get into that, my name is Steve. Welcome to Claiming Christianity. While you're here, you're going to be encouraged and equipped to be the Christians you claim to be. We're going to do that by going through Scripture and reviewing solid tools and resources to help make your day-to-day better and more Christ-focused. If that sounds like something you're interested in, smash that subscribe button and let's get into it. You know that I don't do these very often, so I don't know how you're supposed to do unboxings. Some guys do like only unboxings on their channel, and I always mess something up because of the way things are wrapped or whatever the case may be is. But let's get into this because I'm excited to see what's in here and to show you guys kind of what's available, what's coming out. So they did a really good job packing it. I always appreciate that. Sometimes you get Bibles that kind of like slosh around, for lack of a better term, because they don't put any extra packaging in there. So thank you, Lockman Foundation. So we have the New American Standard Bible. This is a reference Bible. Printed in, it says right there, printed in Korea. So this is what the outside box looks like. The box is in really good condition. And it has the ISBN on there for you. This is brown goatskin leather, and just from looking at the box, it looks like it's a really nice size, to be honest with you. I'm pretty excited. The side here gives me some of the features. Again, I didn't really look too much up about this. I'll do the review this week, which will include, if you're familiar with my channel, I try to do as full of a review as possible. That's not what this is. We're just opening this this thing up and taking a look at what's in here before we get to the full review. So it is premium goatskin, 9.5 point font. You know that's right in my wheelhouse, right? I like 10, so let's see what it looks like. It's line matched, 2-column, references at the bottom, and I hear there's like 95,000 references. There's tons and tons of references, what my understanding is. So let's open it up. Enough with the box. There's nothing on the back. So it's a real simple box. For you box people out there that like it. Ooh, look at that. So it comes, and I learned something. We'll see how my skill level is from my friend Tim Nichols at a nickel's worth. Look, you can take off the cover without opening the little seal on there. I did it wrong on one of the first Bibles I had that was done this way. Different premium Bibles are done in different ways, and I don't have tons and tons of premium Bibles, I'll be honest with you. Ooh, it smells so nice. For those of you who are premium Bible people, or just Bible people in general, brand new books and brand new Bibles are really nice. Man, I'm loving the size of this right now in my hand. This is like a perfect size Bible. This is about the size of Bible my wife uses, and it's perfect for carrying to and from church. It does have a nice, you won't be able to see it. Again, I'll do a full review here in the real near future, in a week or two. Looks like rose gold art gilding, raised hubs. I like my raised hubs. This is nice. There's even like a little yap. I don't even know if I'd call it a yap, but there's a little yap here. And it's not too, sometimes you get goatskin Bibles and they flop all over because they're just a little too floppy. Some people like them. This is kind of the right amount of floppiness right out of the box here. So you watched me open it up just now. This is the, let's flip open to Genesis. That's pretty good. Genesis 1. This is all cardstock up here. And it does look like a family section, a presentation section. So I'm excited to get into that. And you get 2 ribbons. But this is a really nice Bible. I'm excited that Lockman sent it to me so I can review it to you. These days, not that I don't like study Bibles. You know I use my study Bibles as references, but having just a good, solid translation to read through and to access just for your everyday use, I think is really, really important. And this, just my initial impressions, is this fits the bill. It's a perfect size. It's a really nice floppiness. It's goatskin and sewn, so you know it's going to last a long time. The font size, again, we'll do a full review while we get into this stuff. The font size is nice and big, 9.5 point font, and we'll look at the specifics. And I'll try to switch to the other camera here. You can see the reference suite at the bottom. Lots of cross references if you're into it. But the cross references, sometimes having them in the center, the Bible I use on a regular basis has center column references. I don't know that I'm in love with that because sometimes the references get in the way for me. So having them here at the bottom is really nice. Man, well, this is super pretty. This has been a quick, you know my unboxings are real quick, and this is just to take a look at what's to come. But this is a really nice Bible, and there will be a full review on it. Again, this is the New American Standard Bible, Prime Edition, I believe it's being called, but by the Lockman Foundation, brown goatskin leather. This is the reference Bible. Full review coming in about a week or two after I have a chance to really go through it, and we'll go through all the details for you, but I wanted to show you what's available. Thank you guys for your time. I really appreciate it. I hope I've earned the privilege of your time because time is valuable. Don't forget, be the Christians you claim to be.